Welcome once again, Karsurabaw, sa ating car review. Thank you nga pala sa Toyota Malolos, Cebu City for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Golda Mariagas on her mobile phone. This is a 2025 Toyota Hilux 2.8 GR Sports AT. 2.158 million to, Cebu City price ha. January promo is 249,000 based on 15% down payment. 48 months is 56,778.49 and 60 months is 48,364.50. Airbags is driver, front passenger, side, curtain, and knee. Brake is electronic brake distribution, anti-lock brake system or ABS with brake assist. Features: immobilizer, security alarm, electronic door locks, speed sensing door locks, ISOFIX, vehicle stability control, Toyota Safety Sense, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, hill start assist, and downhill assist control. Dito sa harap, ang laki ng grill, bali dalawa, parang sunglasses. Sensors, bulging dito, palabas, gloss black, matte, parang sunglasses, silver ang Toyota, front camera, sensors, radar, window type dito, honeycomb, may maliit dito, window type, silver accent, 2 front sensors, dito wala na. Headlights is may chrome accent sa loob, projector type LED, DRLs LED rin. May Hilux dito sa gilid, sa baba fog lamps LED. Dito sa gilid, wheels is gloss black, tires is 265 65R17 Dunlop. Ang kapal ng fender, GRS design. Mga 3 inches siguro. Matte, black stepboard, matte fender sa likod. Gloss black Hilux emblem sa gilid. Gloss black side mirrors with repeaters, auto adjust and auto fold. 360 camera, may light. Keyless smart entry. Gloss black doorknobs. Front suspension is double wishbone, monotube shocks absorber. Rear is slip spring rigid axle, monotube shock absorber. Front brake, GR brake caliper, ventilated disc. And rear is GR brake caliper, solid disc. Dito sa likod, shark fin antenna sa taas, bed liners hanggang dito, sa mga gilid, third brake light, matte doorknob, backup camera, Hilux emblem, gloss black, pati ang Toyota emblem, chrome GR Sports emblem, matte stepping area, 4 back parking sensors, full spare sa ilalim. Taillights may lane guide, LED, and bulb combination. May Hilux dito for details. May susian, na may kabikatan na konti, bed liner, may 4 na chrome na talian ang mga gilid, Toyota logo sa dulo, then walang sports roll bar. Door panels is dark gray with piano black and carbon type silver accent, chrome doorknob. Plastic, tweeter speaker, carbon fiber accent design, chrome doorknob, piano black, power window, leather, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, light, Toyota step protector, hand grip, solid hand grip. Sa likod na door panels is same dark gray with piano black and carbon type silver accent, chrome doorknob. Plastic, carbon fiber accent, chrome doorknob, piano black, power window button, leather, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, step protector, hand grip ang laki, then solid hand grip. May mga pockets and hook dito sa likod ng mga upuan. May dalawang air vents. Dito wala. Red ang mga seatbelts for sporty look. Center armrest with 2 cup holders. Ang upuan pwedeng maangat. 60-40. Pull mo lang to. Then may mga lagayan sa loob. Sa driver side ng door panels is same dark gray with piano black and carbon type silver accent, chrome doorknob, tweeter speaker, plastic, carbon fiber type accent, chrome doorknob, leather, stitching, piano black, side mirror adjust, auto fold, lock and unlock, windows lock, power window buttons, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, light, Toyota step protector, hand grip din. Steering wheel is still and telescopic, plastic, carbon fiber design, piano black, chrome tip, retractable cup holder, sensors off, view, blind spot off, gas tank, and hood lever. Upuan is leather, suede sa gitna, hanggang taas, leather ang mga gilid, GR emblem sa headrest embroidered, red seat belt, sa kabila din, 8-way power adjust, ito para sa likod, front and back, seat height, then leg height. View sa likod. 3-spoke steering wheel leather wrap, may GR emblem and red accent sa taas with audio controls. Dito is different menus, sensors off, blind spot off, sa likod cruise control. Dito naman is infotainment, mode, voice command, and cellphone button. Paddle shifters. Dash is analog RPM, temperature, speedometer, and fuel gauge. Display sa gitna, 4.2 TFT. Clock, time. Infotainment is 9-inch display audio via 6 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and USB ready. Dual zone automatic climate control aircon with rear vents. Doom lights na papindot-pindot. sunglass holder, sun visor with ticket clip sa driver side, sun visor with vanity mirror sa passenger side, wireless charging, 12-volt socket, hill descent, def lock, traction off, 12-volt socket, 4-wheel drive, 2 cup holders, auto tranny, gated, dark silver, with plus and minus na drive, eco mode, power mode, manual handbrake, malagyan. Center armrest is leather, walang spring, then walang nasa loob. Passenger na upuan is same leather and suede, 4-way manual adjust, airbag, plastic, SRS airbag, carbon fiber design, piano black, plastic, sa cooling box, piano black sa air vents, glove box di susi, slow-mo, then retractable cup holder. Hood is assisted, may shocks. Ang engine niya is a 2.8 4-cylinder inline 16-valve dual overhead cam with variable nozzle turbo, air-cooled intercooler diesel engine. Max output is 224 PS, max torque is 550 Nm of torque. Transmission is 6-speed automatic and fuel tank capacity is 80 liters. So that's it mga kasrambaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Support Bisan Vlogger hanggang sa muli. Paalam and peace. Thank you.